Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to secure the REST APIs. So the next method, that is the CORS. So what's the use of the CORS? CORS allow only specific domains. How you can secure that one? So if you are using the CORS, like your project is using by the front end, so you have to use the CORS policy. So CORS policy basically says like which origin can access your APIs, right? So you have to, if you mention the domain, like only the request from this domain will served, so you have to pass this origin. Don't make it like a star over there, like anybody can use this API. Okay, so this will create the issue. So make sure you have to specify the correct origin so that only that particular domain can use your APIs. So how you can configure? So you have to install the module, that is CORS. Okay, so here you can see that you have to install the module CORS, and how to use that one, app.use CORS and your CORS options. So you have to define this CORS options. If I go over here, here you can see you have defined the CORS. Here you can see that the CORS is defined, right? After this we have to use with the CORS. Okay, so CORS you have to allowed domain. Okay, then app.use course options, then check with your front end that only will accept access your APIs or other one. Okay, so this will help you to secure your REST APIs. Furthermore, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.